Day 8. Finally, all the eggs have hatched. They all look full. I help the mother with hand feeding. Day 10 after I noticed. The mother bird seemed to be having quite a hard time feeding her for chicks. I decided to bring the father in, so he could help the mother care for her chicks. Look, their chicks tried calling him for some food. What a cool dad. They are a great couple. We see the mother bird taking turns feeding its chicks. Look, one of the chicks is asleep, but it's not aware that its head is stuck. So cute.